If you've accidentally deleted messages on Walmart 2025, you may be able to recover them by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Check the Trash or Deleted Items folder. Look for Trash or Deleted Items folder within the messaging section of Walmart 2025. Many platforms temporarily store deleted messages here before permanently removing them. Step 2. Use the search function. Utilize the search feature to look for keywords or specific contacts related to the deleted messages. This may help you locate any archived or saved messages that are not immediately visible. Step 3. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your data, check your backup settings. Restore your messages from the most recent backup to recover any deleted content. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the previous steps do not yield results, reach out to Walmart's customer support. They may have additional tools or methods to assist you in recovering your deleted messages. Step 5. Review account settings. Finally, check your account settings for any options related to message retention or recovery. Adjusting these settings may help prevent future loss of important messages. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages or at least minimize the risk of losing them in the future.